Thank you for using our product. The following will introduce you how to install a double-sided screen. First, you need a mat. Secondly, turn the double-sided screen upside down with the bottom facing up. Unscrew the screws surrounding the iron plate. Place the luggage rack bracket horizontally centered. Here, if possible, it is best to measure whether the distance on both sides is the same. Then tighten the screws. The other luggage rack bracket is also installed in this way. The fixed foot pad is locked when pressed and can move freely when popped out. Connect the power cord, white point to white point. Reset the double-sided screen normally, smoothly, slowly and gently place it on the roof of the car. Adjust the position of the fixed foot pad according to the width of the vehicle body. Choose a mounting hook that fits the car body. Place mats on the inside to protect the body. Peel it off and stick it on when using it. Align the installation screw with the middle nut and tighten it. Repeat this for the other four corners. Use the key to turn it off to lock it. Use the key to turn it on to unlock it, and you can loosen and tighten it. Please check whether it can be tightened or loosened. This concerns the safety of your property. Arrange the white and black lines in an orderly manner and secure it with zip ties. At the same time, place the 4G antenna with the pattern side facing up. It also needs to be fixed and can be placed on the car body. The yellow wire is connected to the positive terminal of the car battery. The black wire connects the negative terminal of the car battery. Different models have different batteries. Connect the ACC white wire to the cigarette lighter. Press it to turn it on. Start the vehicle and see if the side lights are on. The above is the complete tutorial for double-sided screen installation. If you encounter problems during use, please contact us as soon as possible. We will arrange professional engineers 1v1 service for you. If you think our products are good, please recommend it to your friends. Thanks for watching.